Oo, sa dito, kung 50% naman na.
I mean, meron po kami upcoming concert sa ABAP, pero sobrang ina-appreciate ko ng concert dito. Siguro po gusto ko lang pasalamatan syempre yung mga tao behind it, like Nation, Visa, everyone yung wala sila ginagawa sa opportunity nito. Sabi nga po yung Diyos, ever since we started our career as artists, parang yun talaga yung trinahan sa namin. Itong moment na pinaka-perfect sa Lollapalooza. And showing how talented Filipinos are. And hindi ko po alam kung hindi ko ma-imagine or ko can explain kung ano yung gagawin natin. Pero
interview ha, para mo sa
Para sa ilahang kuan.
tawag no?
Presko nila para sa ilahang simula at wakas nga album. Katong ilahang kuan April 18 nga concert dito sa Manila nga Maglalapalooza po sila. Ngayon ko ano din eh. Open that.
Okay.
Ayaw. Ay, mo so. Jabe na, Kelvin.
Ano na tubig ha?
Jabe ka niyo.
for sure, it's something that I think I should be proud of. Right now, syempre, may mga nakulo kami sa music na perform namin doon. Syempre, definitely, the arrangements, mas matinding production, just to show them kung ano talaga yung kaya natin. So, sobrang excited na, gigil na po kami.
Thank you, Pablo. My second question is for Josh.
Our help.
For Josh, so you're coming na rin sa stage really open many doors for you internationally. My question is, how are you preparing for this possible opportunity to make it in the world stage? And also, are you dreaming to get a Grammy Award in the future?
Lola na eh. So, hindi na wala ng Grammy.
I just like flamingos.
No, technically. Well, we're just very excited to show everyone what we're capable of. For Grammys, of course, we've been always dreaming about it. And syempre, if we're given the opportunity to gradually, siguro talagang mas i-find na namin na ano pa yung higitan sa ganda, tinatawag natin, diba? So, syempre, we've been always dreaming about it. Pero, lagi pa rin kaming humble down na hindi namin masyadong ina-expect na darating lang siya. Kailangan namin mag-work hard. So, yun yung everyday na tinatry namin when it comes to us. Or, syempre, yung mga preparations namin, especially for bukas at simula, at darating din lahat, eventually. Kasi niniwala kami na yung optimal work na ginagawa namin, yung mga dahan-dahan, darating din kami doon. Yung kailangan ng isang viral moment lang, but most important is yung steady kami going in there.
Thank you, Josh. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, I think it's one of the strengths of SB19, yung longevity mo. Kasi hindi lahat, maraming nag-viral, ang galing mag-viral. Pero hindi lahat tumatagal, katulad na. Happy 8 years.
Ang isa po talaga.
Confusion.
Sabi nga nila po, pag mayroon ng blessings, kailangan handa ka sumalok. So, prepare mo palagi yung sarili kung dumating mo ang pag-work na doon.
Okay, now let's go to our next friend from the media, Maurice Panaligan of GMA News.
Hello, good afternoon. Okay, first question is for Pablo. You released 3 EPs in this era. What made you decide to create an album to sort of close it off or to open a new chapter?
Tama po kayo. Originally, tatlo lang po talaga yung album na release namin. Pero sabi nga po nila, with every ending comes a new beginning. And for us, gusto po talaga namin sincere sa mga fans namin and sa lahat ng mga taong doon na SB19. And for us, ito po closure ng trilogy po namin. It's a milestone na parang pwede namin balikan na ito na yung narating namin. But at the same time, it's a celebration for the chapter po ng SB19. And we can't wait to share the details kung ano yung process.
Hindi, mungkit ba? Mungkit. Why mungkit?
Exploration pagdating sa music na ginagawa namin and mas more ano ba, tinatarget po talaga namin yung going global para ipakita ko ano yung mga Filipino. So, I'm just so happy na itong mga opportunities na ganito dumarating sa amin. Hindi naman po siya madaling talaga dumarating. Talagang bibihira yung mga itong klase ng opportunities. So, itong album na po na i-release namin, it's a celebration for everything that we have achieved together. So, yun po yung dahilan kung bakit namin talaga nilabas itong album po namin dito sa chapter na.
Thank you, Pablo. My second question is for Justin. What kind of sound does SB19 endeavor to create in this Wakas at Simula album?
For music direction po, syempre, we've been like 8 years in the industry, 8 years na nagmagawa ng music, performing, and right now, we are more confident and should say na parang hindi na kami walking on pictures. So parang may assurance na kami sa mga sarili namin, sa gusto namin gawin na ito yung gusto namin i-try, ito yung gusto namin ipakita. And diba po, for example, with the beat parang we're trying out different things, may utot, may kanta, sa lyrics, and whatnot. So, mas meron kaming power or tayo confidence siguro. Mas confident na kami sa gusto namin gawin.
Bakit ka lang?
Thank you. My spelling name is G-A-M-E. Okay, now let's go to Jairo Hashtag.
Oh my God! Hang on, Missy. Sweet up more. Wait. Almost there. A bit almost there. I wish it would be still. Oh my goodness. Oh no, this would be help! I want to do this! I want to see!
Yun yung hinahanap ko, yung sila, and ang bawat isa.
Oh no, get this is one's coming. This is one.
It's something na way lang para mahanap na
This is one's coming.
cover namin yung strength ng bawat isa.
I see. I put on the Nike squad and one's coming.